AI can give you content pillars in seconds. But are they really good enough?
AI is amazing for brainstorming, speeding up workflows, and organizing ideas.
I use AI in my workflows. Outputs we get are based on data. But it can actually understand the nuances and what it's like to be human.
AI doesn't, number 1, understand human emotions the way we feel it. Number 2, see the gaps and nuances that only experience can identify. And number 3, personalize content based on real-life customer behavior.
It's great for starting the process, but not relying on the whole content strategy. Sure, you can argue that it gets the job done, but does it work? You tick the box, but with zero conversion.
This is where an expert comes in. Experts like us don't just list out topics. We identify the core needs and motivations of your audience, align content pillars with your long-term business goals, and create a customer journey-driven strategy that AI simply can't map out. Your content shouldn't just look good or be a sole reflection of recent trends. It should work and resonate. This is why working with us is a must.
AI can assist, but strategy requires insight, experience, and understanding of what truly moves people to action. Want expert-crafted content pillars and ideas for your biz? Let us help you. Comment DFY below.